guys, good morning. So we're now here at the Puerto Galera Integrated Terminal Exchange, or what we call PTEX. We are at the second floor because we are going to Puerto Galera in Mindoro. Now the first step of our trip is for us to ride a bus going to the Batangas port. Now as of the moment it is exactly at 3:15 in the morning. And what I was told is tickets would be available by 3:30, and then the first bus out would be at around 4 o'clock. Now after that, the bus would be leaving in 30 minutes interval. So the first trip would be at 4 o'clock in the morning, next one would be 4:30, 5 o'clock, so on and so forth. So as far as I know, it's going to be a good 2 hours bus ride from here to Batangas port. And then I believe it's about 200 plus, so just prepare about 300 pesos for your bus ticket. Now just a tip for you guys that live in Cavite, there's another way for you to go to Batangas port if you want to go DIY and you don't want to hire a van or something like that. Another way for you is to go to Robinson's Pala Pala. And as far as I know, there's a van that has a route straight to Batangas port. I just don't know how much it will be, but for us it is more accessible if we go here at PTEX. We're here at about, let's say, 12 o'clock midnight, and then we stayed, had a bit of a, a late evening meal, and then we just waited until this hour for us to ride a bus. As of the moment, there's no one there because it's still 3:15. So I'm hoping before 3:30 someone will be there so we can have our tickets and have our bus ride at 4 o'clock in the morning. So perhaps I'll just see you guys in my next video when we're at the Batangas port. Hi guys, so we're now here at Batangas port. So we left PTEX at 4 o'clock in the morning and we arrived here at about 6:15. So it's about 2 hours travel, a few minutes more. But then again, we arrived here quite early, just in time for the 8 o'clock fast craft boat. Now what we got is Galerian, and I believe that's only 4 to 5 minutes. So got it for a good price, which is 600 pesos for the adults. And then for senior citizen, I believe it's 480, since we are with our mom-in-law. Now I'm going to give you a very quick tour of what the port looks like, which is really, really good. It kind of feels like the airport. So I'll just pan the camera over for you guys to see. So it says, welcome to the modern Batangas port. So we're just now going in. Just to let you guys know, we already went in early. So we already got a terminal fee, which is at 30 pesos each. So that's what we got. And then, so right now we're just entering the port again, so as to make sure that we see what so there's still some minor security happening. So that is it for me. Just giving you a very quick run tour. So there's a couple of coast guards as well. There's a couple food kiosks here, and just to let you guys know, it's air conditioned, it's really fully maintained, and it's really, really new. So the port is really, really looking cool. Now I do know I have my mom-in-law looking here by the Pacific Living Center because she's very much wanted to get her suman. Let's say hi to my mother-in-law. You're done with your shopping? Say hi to the vlog. So this is my mom-in-law. He's going to spend the rest of the holidays with us in Puerto Galera. So you'll know how it is. It's very good and it's very senior friendly.
isama mo yan, nakalagay dyan eh.
Dito lang siya.
Hi guys, so we're now here at Puerto Galera. It is exactly 9:20 in the morning, so still quite early, but it is already sunny compared to the previous days. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the passenger exit area wherein they're going to check our QR codes and they're going to check our hotel accommodation. So just to be sure, you just have to make sure they have that in. I think you also would need to pay for terminal fees or tourism fees, something like that. But I'll let you guys know as to how much it will be after this. We'll just go ahead and do the process first. So once you enter, you have to go to the tourist area and then you have to be registered. They would be checking your booking and as well as your QR codes for the hotel. I'll go ahead and go about that process first and then get back to you guys. So we're now officially here in Puerto Galera in White Beach. So just to wrap things up from this morning, we arrived here at about 9:15 in the morning. We left Cavite or PTEX at 4 o'clock in the morning, so that's quite a far bit of travel, but still quite soothing. The weather is really good. There's not much people. I will pan my camera over just for you to see what the beach looks like right now. But so far, once we arrived at the Balatera port, we were able to ride a tricycle. It was 50 pesos per person, and that's 3 of us, so that's 150 going to our hotel, which is Simon's Heritage Hotel. Now what I'll just do is I'll perhaps have a separate video for our accommodation. For that one, so at least you know how it is and how I have booked that one in. But just in case, I would like you to just, you know, see the view, and it was really a good thing that we really decided to go right now, right after that habagat and that typhoon. So I'll just pan the camera over, just give me a moment. So there you are guys, this is White Beach here in Puerto Galera. There's really not much people, actually it's very scarcity of people right now. Primarily because, you know, there's been a typhoon last couple of weeks and there's a habagat as well. There's a couple of gale warnings, so there's really not much people, like, I don't know, just a handful of people. Even our hotel doesn't have that much booking. So again guys, just to again wrap it up, we're going to stay here up until the weekend and then we'll see how we go on a daily basis. We don't have exactly an itinerary of what the things we're supposed to do per day, but I'll keep you guys posted and see what's really happening here. See you soon, bye! Hi guys, so we're now here again at Puerto Galera White Beach. Due to the bad weather, what I can just say is there's not much people here right now. So what I'll just do is for you guys to see how good the beach is. It's more chill right now because there's not much people, but hopefully tomorrow over the weekend there would be, you know, some parties and some events that's happening in the evening. But so far it's really cool, the breeze is really good, and what I'll do is I'll just do a bit 360 for you guys to see how few the people are and how nice the beach is. Again, so just to wrap this video up, just with my husband and my mom-in-law, we're just gonna go take a dip and take our first swim in this very good white beach and not much people. See you guys soon, see you in the next vlog! So right now again, we're enjoying this cool weather here this afternoon at White Beach here in Puerto Galera. Say hi to my husband and my mom-in-law. So we'll just enjoy the rest of the afternoon. I think you don't need to join them and enjoy the waves. So I'll see you guys soon. Say goodbye, guys.
Bye!
Hi guys, we're now in Puerto Galera White Beach. We're going to let you see what it looks like at night because there's a couple of tourists already, so it's already open for a couple of activities. Okay? Say hi! I'll flip the camera over so you'll see the view. So nice. So that's the fire dance. We're actually on their second set, I believe, because it started quite early. So I already had our dinner, but we went here so you can able to see the view for them. So there's my mom-in-law, experiencing, you know, being in their performance. Quite talented, quite nice. I think we're able to still be here, even though, you know, almost done with their set. So again, just to wrap up this vlog for this weekend, there you go. There's fire dancing over here. Very nice. And you can see there's already music, so there's a lot of tourists. So we'll have fun tonight. See you in the next vlog. quick run through what the boat looks like. Very peaceful. The air conditioning is extremely nice. It is very cool here inside. And you can just pretty much walk around. That's how it is in the middle. So I think it's really good here is because there are couches for families in the middle and you can sit anywhere. So you can see, that's my husband over there, chilling. And my mom-in-law, I think she's gonna go. Yep, that's her. Say hi to the vlog, mommy. Yep, so just to wrap things up, that's it. And that is the view from the inside of the fastboat from Montenegro. Okay, so I think that's it for me, I'll just chill for a bit. I think we're going to arrive in Batangas at around 8 o'clock in the morning, so it's still quite early. And perhaps I'll just enjoy the second floor deck again after a couple of minutes and we'll start to cool down. So I'll see you guys again in my next video once we arrive in the Batangas spot. See ya! So there you are. Daddy, say goodbye to the vlog!
Bye.
So now going bye!